Hi, we're back with Nona. They've released yet another song, Honk. Going to be watching a music video, I don't know what video that is, and then a dance practice. I give up, bro.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror.
Outfits though. I love the skirt.
Look at me, look at her.
And that's Jean. Both of them, really. Oh, hair. I love the color. Oh, makeup. Wow, pretty. Pretty. Voice. Oh, well, pretty. Okay, walks. I guess this is like a dance performance video.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Put 'em up, toasted, buckle up out of here. If we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Ah. I love this part. She sounds great. Oh, the skirt is cute.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put 'em up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah.
I love this part of the
Get in
choreography.
taxi, never pass me, race, set, go.
YouTube is probably gonna block these videos.
Get on the Honk.
Beep beep.
Get on the Honk. On the bus, go.
Wait a minute. Wait, what kind of dance? Oh, dance video. Wait, so this is a one. Then what was the other video? I thought this was a dance practice. What's the other video?
Get on the Honk. Get on the Honk.
Anyway.
Get on the Honk. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical days with my itty bitty waist, got my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on the license plate.
I know, Nuna. Why did I hear that?
If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the Honk. Get on the Honk. Get on the Honk.
Okay, so I love the beginning of the song, and I like part of the choreography. However, as a song, I really do not like it. I think the problem is the chorus. It's so empty. Most of the song is empty. This is barely a song, and it's empty. Most of it, like, I love the beginning though, and that one part with that girl with the maroon hair, somewhere in the middle of the song. Other than that. It's so incomplete, bro. It's way too incomplete. It's so incomplete. I'm actually like, the more I think about it, it's kind of making me mad. So like, that's all I gotta say. That's yep. Like, yeah.